Hi, I'm Dr. Wirt with Heuser Chiropractic, and one of the most common questions we get as chiropractors is, what is that popping sound you hear whenever you get an adjustment? Well, the popping sound is actually just air that has been trapped around the joint or the spaces around the joint in the tissue. So when you actually adjust, that releases that air bubble and you get the popping noise similar to this. So, if you're interested in learning more about chiropractic and the adjustments, come in to see me and I'd be happy to help you.